These are the products used for today's design. Using Polish Pro Ragtime Band, apply to your nail enhancement and cure for 30 seconds. Using Tech Gel Glitter Base, apply liberally to the nail, leave uncured. Your first layer of design, Polish Pro French Quarter, was used, then Polish Pro Sugar Rush directly on top. Leave uncured. This will start to bloom. Then in another area, reverse your colors. Polish Pro Sticky Taffy and Voodoo Punch was used for the next design element. Remember to leave your polish uncured. This will help with the blooming effect and the spread of the gel. Then, using your NSI detailer brush and starting from the middle of your design, pull through each dot 3 times. Pull it in a direction so that it looks like a petal. Continue to do so until all of your dots have been pulled. When you're happy with your design, cure in the LED Dual Cure for 30 seconds or UV for 2 minutes. Apply Essential Seal and cure again for 30 seconds, LED or UV 2 minutes. Once cured, remove the tacky disbursement layer using Cleanse. Using NSI Design Gel in black, go through and make details to your petals, outlining and highlighting each individual one. When you're happy with your design, cure in the Dual Cure LED for 60 seconds or UV for 2 minutes. Using a dotting tool, apply little black dots in the center of your flower, again to give detail. Add rhinestones to your design by using NSI Tech Gel Glitter Base. Cure for 30 seconds, LED or UV for 2 minutes.